pharma validation is getting a major upgrade. So let's dive into the new GAMP 5 2nd edition.
Feeling a bit lost with all the updates? Yeah, you're definitely in the right place.
Look, the old way of doing things, piles of paperwork, just can't keep up with today's technology.
This new edition basically brings validation into the modern age, all while keeping patients safe.
Now, it's not technically a law, but you can bet the regulators expect you to follow it.
Okay, let's make this real. Imagine you're rolling out a new cloud-based quality management system. The old way, buried you in documents. The new approach, it's all about smart, targeted work.
It's a simple idea, really. First, you figure out the actual risk. Then, your effort matches it. And here's the single biggest takeaway. It's all about critical thinking now, not just checking boxes. This one change opens the door to so much more, like embracing Agile and using supplier work. This chart says it all, right? We're moving from just being document-driven to being truly risk-driven.
So yeah, this is way more than just a new rulebook. It's a whole new mindset.
But with any big shift, there are traps. So what are the common mistakes to watch for?
Top of the list, blindly using old templates or over-testing systems that aren't even high risk.
And that leads to this huge myth that less paperwork automatically means you're less compliant. Nope. The truth is, it's not about less documentation, it's about smarter documentation that actually matters.
So when you boil it all down, GAMP 5 is really just a much smarter way to work.
So what's the game plan? Focus on risk, think for yourself, and keep your validation lean.
Which really just leaves one big question for you. Is your validation process actually future-proof?